Welcome! If you're a streamer or just want a little more privacy while using Discord, you've probably checked out streamer mode. But what if you still want to hear those important notification sounds while streaming or recording? Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable sounds on Discord streamer mode after the latest update, step by step. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them is a little gear icon. Click on that gear to open up your user settings. Now, in the Settings menu, take a look at the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it to enter the Streamer Mode settings page. Here, you'll see a bunch of options designed to help protect your privacy while you're live, like hiding personal information and disabling certain notifications. But if you want to keep your Discord sounds on while streamer mode is active, pay close attention to the options here. Look for the setting that says Disable Sounds. By default, this might be switched on, which means Discord will mute all notification sounds while you're streaming. To change this, simply toggle off the Disable Sounds option. This will allow all your usual Discord sounds, like message notifications and call alerts, to come through, even when streamer mode is enabled. Once you've made this change, you're all set. You can now stream or record with streamer mode on and still hear those important Discord notifications. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference, especially if you rely on those sounds to stay connected with your community or friends. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. See you in the next video.